Welcome viewers to Financial Fridays. Today's video will be Stocks and You. In this video I will be going over what stocks are, what they allow you to do, a general sense of how the stock market functions, how to make money off of stocks, and how owning a company's stock can affect you. Now, what is a stock? A stock is a voucher that shows you are backing the company and have a stake in their success. Think of it like this. Your friend has enough resources to make one pie, but because you and your other friends gave him some money, he was able to make a second pie. This doesn't mean you own the company, but now you have an investment in their success. So you have now invested in a stock, or your friend making pies. What does this allow you to do? What this does is allows you a voice. How big your voice is dependent on what percentage of the stock you own. Let's go back to your pie making friend. If you're the only one to back him, or invest in him for the second pie, then you would be in for 50%. This will allow you a strong voice on what flavor the pie should be. This is a bit unrealistic because owners will rarely let someone get enough stock to be what is like a partner. But I think you get the gist. The more stocks you have, the bigger the voice and influence you have. Alright, so your friend has started his pie making business and you want to invest in him. You see the value of his company go up and down, but why? The stock market works a little like supply and demand. Your friend is seeking backers to help him make more of his product that costs, let's say, $10. So he lists each stock at $10. If there are no buyers, then he will need to bring the price down. If there are a lot of buyers, then he'll want to bring the prices up. This is what causes change in the prices of stocks. Other reasons a stock may change price are when a company goes through vast growth or overwhelming loss. This will affect the company's profit and what they estimate they need or can get away with per stock. A company's profits or losses also affect people's perception on if they think the company can hold out through the hard times or if it'll buckle. So you now own a stock. Okay, but how do you make money off of it? There are a couple ways. One is to buy low and sell high. Let's say you buy a stock for $10. The company does really well. The stock then becomes worth $50. You didn't have to put any more money in, but that $10 stock is now worth $50, so you could sell it for a $40 profit. The other way is to invest in a dividend stock. This stock pays a percentage of their stock's worth out monthly, quarterly, or yearly depending on the stock. I will be going over these types of stocks more in depth in a later video. While making money off of stocks is simple, it's not necessarily easy. Let's revisit your friend with the pie company. Let's say his pie company went out of business and he ended up owing a lot of money to some unsavory characters. How does this affect you? Apart from your stock being next to worthless, if you didn't sell already, then it doesn't affect you at all. Your name, assets, money, nothing is tied to the company apart from the money you backed it with. So when a stock starts dropping fast, it can mean the end. Or that a lot of people got scared. The only thing you lose is your investment in the stock if you don't choose to sell when it begins to quickly drop. Now, choosing when to sell is another matter entirely. It's something that's not easy and not clear. It's something where I can only give you as much advice, information, and guidance as possible so that you'll be more informed when making the choices on what to invest in. And while I can't give you any guaranteed money makers, I can assure you that it's not as scary as it all seems. There's nothing surefire in the stock market, but there are ways you can be much safer while investing in the stock market. And that's what I want to help you find out. So if you're willing to set aside $100 for a casino at Vegas, I'd say investing in the stock market is a much safer bet than going to the casino, buying scratch-off tickets, or buying a lottery ticket. With this, you should now have a general understanding of what a stock is, how it affects you, and even how they can make you a little money. Please tune in next Friday for the continuation of my financial series, Figuring Out Your Stock Type. Thank you and have a good day.